has been the first, and that is why this experience we are going to share with the other smart cities, and other smart cities experience can also be shared, so that all the town and country planning department, those who are implementing smart cities mission, can be benefited out of this. And that is what our motto as far as the local Saptami is concerned. I would like to conclude here, but before that I would like to say a few words. Looking at the town and country planning and development through the lens of the Western countries, that is how the tradition has emerged. Whenever I discuss with my colleagues, sir, America में तो ऐसे हो रहा है, UK में ऐसे हो रहा है. So kindly don't look at the planning and development of the India through the lens of the Western countries, but we should develop our own models, which is indigenous the models, and our own models can only help. Adopting the models from the other countries, not going to share. And I am very sure at this stage that the young planners, those who have come in the market, they are better off, they are better trained, they know all the information technology and communications, and they will be giving the better solution to us. So I look forward to my young planners to kindly share your experiences and kindly help evolving the indigenous model as far as the town and country planning is concerned. With this, thank you for giving the opportunity. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.